Hey guys, it's Jack here from I Collect Apple. Today I am unboxing the brand new second generation Apple Pencil. So this is the successor to the 2015 Apple Pencil and it's been redesigned for the new 2018 iPad Pros. This will only work on the new 2018 iPad Pros. It will not work on any earlier iPad Pros, nor will it work on the 6th generation iPad. It's just for the new ones. It charges via an inductive charger that's connected to the side of the new iPad Pros, and it's magnetically attached so it stays secure when you're not using it. And that's also how it does pairing now, so there's no lightning connector on this. The pencil itself has been redesigned a little bit. It doesn't have the cap to cover the lightning connector because, as I mentioned, there is no lightning connector. It's a little bit shorter. It's got a matte finish now rather than a glossy finish, and it's got one flat edge to stop it rolling off tables. And also that's the edge that attaches to the iPad Pro, because the iPad Pro, if you haven't already seen, now has flat edges around the side. The packaging for the pencil has remained pretty much exactly as it was last time. Very little change here. Inside the box you get the pencil and some documentation, but no replacement tips for the pencil this time. I'm unclear as to whether the first generation ones will work with this pencil. You can buy them separately from the Apple Store, but unlike the original, it no longer comes with any replacement tips, and it doesn't have the lightning adapter anymore that used to be used on the old one because there is no lightning port. This little booklet tells you how to use the pencil and change the tip if you ever do need to. Obviously, this pencil does have double tap and multi-touch gestures on the sides now, and that is just all detailed in that little booklet. We've got some warranty information, pretty boring stuff, just a summary of what the warranty includes and what it doesn't in multiple languages. Taking a look at the pencil itself, I can see clearly that this is pretty different from the old one. The little wrapper that it's in actually has Apple's new address on it, which is a new thing they're doing with this year's products, it seems. And we do have a little Apple Pencil logo, which is now grey and sort of etched onto the case itself, because that shiny silver band that used to be on the old pencil that had the logo on it is no longer there. This pencil's a bit less flashy than the old version, but it's also a bit sleeker, a bit more modern. There's a bit of a degree of simplicity there that you can see the difference here. It is far simpler, and I think it's a really good look. So when you pair the pencil for the first time by slapping it on the side of your iPad, you get this cool AirPod style animation and a prompt to connect it. It also now comes up with a cool welcome screen guiding you through the features, and there's even this interactive setup screen that helps you to explore the new double tap gesture. They really want people to discover this feature. They don't want it to fall by the wayside. So as you can see here, it did take me a few times to get to grips with this double tap. It isn't quite as easy as I expected at first, but you do get used to it. Whenever you do reattach the pencil to the iPad, you get to see the charge level with that cool little animation. In settings, there is some customization for the double tap. Not much yet, but I assume this is going to expand over time as developers can incorporate this into their apps. There are options for changing the color palette, switching back to the eraser, or just switching between the current and last tool used. So that's the sort of system setting for it, but developers can change it up in their own apps. We'll start to see examples of this as apps do get updated in the coming weeks. If you haven't already seen my unboxing of the 2018 iPad Pro, be sure to go check it out. There will also be an unboxing of the new Smart Folio keyboard case coming shortly, and there will be a review of the iPad Pro coming as well in the next few weeks. If you do want to see more of my content, including Apple-related stuff, my website is blueinkcode.com. You can also hear me host the Blue Ink Show podcast every other Tuesday, which you can listen to on Apple Podcasts or Overcast or any of your favorite podcast players. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.